my friends, it's me, Mrs. Taggart, and we're gonna read a book that you have at home called Bear Snores On. And you know Bear is my absolute favorite storybook character. So I think we'll have to read some more books by Karma Wilson and illustrated by Jane Chapman. Bear Snores On. Grab your book and read with me. Ooh, looks like, what's the season in this book? It's not the season we're heading to, is it? It's the season we're leaving, called what? Winter. Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson and illustrations by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. What's that called again when animals sleep through the winter? Do you remember? Makes that sound in the beginning. Hibernation. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." And they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by and sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, and crunch. But what does the bear do? But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Whoa, look at how many animals are in there. Look at all the characters in our story. The raven and the wren, the mole and the mouse, the gopher, the hare, and the badger. What's gonna happen next? They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! And he blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. I think they're probably pretty worried when the bear woke up. Do you think that too? What's gonna happen? And Bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And Bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps and Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But what do you think his friends do? But his friends snore on. The end. It's one of my absolute favorite books and my favorite character. Can't wait to read more with you.